Hello, this is Audra from Goodwill Financial Insurance Company. We talk to you regarding your car and home insurance, and we are here in Elmhurst, Illinois. We're insurance brokers and we represent well-known, best-rated insurance companies. The insurance companies as Erie, Progressive, Grange, Travelers. So I want you to have best insurance buying experience with me, and also I want you to understand what you are buying. I want you to know what liability insurance is and why you have to have really high liability insurance limits. What is comprehensive and collision insurance? What does it do for you? And I want you to know that you can buy your umbrella policy as low as for $200 per year. So after we talked, after I took your information, I will run a quote for you with all insurance we represent. So I will compare prices and I will present to you best deal we have, best company we have, and best price we have for you. And please don't forget that best value you get from our knowledgeable agents here in Goodwill Financial when you combine your car insurance, your property insurance, your life insurance, and your business insurance, of course. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.